Spengler defines the meaning crisis as the loss of connection to oneself, others and reality. There are important historical, religious and scientific drivers of the meaning crisis, as Spengler points out. Now, anyone interested and worried about the meaning crisis should have at least some rudimentary understanding of Oswald Spengler's work, given that he explicated the decline of the West as soberly as no one else. Even if you disagree with his conclusions, your view of the meaning crisis will be all the richer when you consider his provocative insights into the moment where a culture turns inevitably into its own ossification and becomes a civilization driven only now by technology. So we invite you to join our course on Spengler this fall to ponder the meaning crisis from this important but often forgotten angle. While Spengler does not speak of nihilism or a crisis of sense in our time, his Decline of the West can provide us with a fuller picture of the meaning crisis. Take, for example, Spengler's insight that a high culture at one point inevitably becomes a civilization. By civilization, Spengler means the petrification of a once great and alive culture. All that is left today, it seems, is management of decline and rule by quantification. The Western culture has little more to gift to the world than that. And this leads to a genuine perception of loss. The loss of a once great culture and its orientation. Still, Spengler sees precisely in writing history like poetry and in thinkers like Goethe and Nietzsche possibilities for an organic reimagination even within the paradigm of techniques, and the possibility indeed of a new dawn. So we invite you to join us at our course on Spengler, which begins this October. The link to enroll is in the description of this video. Thank you very much.